Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving through Porus. Now Porus is in Manchester. We just passed the sign welcome to Manchester, so we just passed the border between Maypen and the border between Clarendon and Manchester. So this section of the road is this is the main road that you would take from Maypen, the town of Maypen, to the town of Mandeville, and it goes through Porus. Porus was a very busy town, buzzing with activity because it's literally on the main road. But they opened a highway, Highway 2000, now goes from Kingston to Williamsfield in Manchester, basically Mandeville. So the last leg that was opened was Maypen to Mandeville. So you now have an alternative to driving on this road. And not only do you have an alternative to driving on this road, the section of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville is free. So this area has been hit very hard because the traffic no longer drives through here. They go on the highway. It's free. And it's going to be free until July, and chances are come July it's going to be free for a very long time. After we drive through the town, we'll tell you what's going on with why the highway is free, because it's supposed to be a toll road. The toll plazas are built, but we're going to drive through the town and then we talk about that. So as you can see, things have literally slowed down in the town. Now the business people in the area are hoping that when they eventually start to charge a toll, that some people will go back to using this road instead of paying the toll. Alright, so you can see things have definitely slowed down for Porus. So what happened is Trans Jamaica Highway has a concession to collect toll on the highway. Now what happened is foreign companies would build a highway and the government gave them a concession to collect the toll on the road to pay back for the building of the highway. But this leg of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville, the government built it. The Jamaican government spent 188 million US to build that leg of the highway. But Trans Jamaica Highway has the concession to collect toll on that section of the road. They didn't build the road now, but they are still holding the concession for Highway 2000 East-West leg. So the government is saying to Trans Jamaica, pay us back for building the road, and then use your toll, the toll that you collect, to pay yourself back for the road, which is how it's supposed to work. But it's not going that way, and they have not come to an agreement, and that is why no toll is being collected on the road, because Trans Jamaica Highway never built the road. So they by no means should be collecting toll on the road. So that's why until something is worked out, the road will be free. Now, unfortunately for the people in the area, everybody knew about, let me put it, Trans Jamaica Highway and NROC knew about this the day the highway started. When the highway opened, everybody knew about it. So if they have not been able to work it out by now, I'm not sure when they will ever work it out. And until they do, the highway will remain free. Alright guys, we are now going to be going on to the Melrose Hill bypass. Now the Melrose Hill bypass was done or upgraded while the highway was being built, but the Melrose Hill bypass is not a part of the highway. It is not a toll road, so even after they start charging toll on the Maypenton leg of the highway, no toll will be charged for the Williamsfield leg, the Melrose Hill bypass section of the highway. So guys, let us know what you think about the highway and the whole arrangement. Alright guys, have a good day. Also, what do you think about Porus? What do you think could be done to bring more people back to Porus? Alright guys, have a good day.